Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the before and after, and this is the before video of how the suspension handles. Check it out. You know what was squealing? This inner fender with the tire. Too much body roll. But stay tuned. I'll have a how-to video on how to install the ridtech front suspension and the Willwood brakes we've added. I'm not quite done. I still got the rear to do. And here's all the parts for that. We still got a little bit more to go, but I'm waiting on parts. And this thing will be on the road soon. So guys, hit subscribe, check out more of my videos, and stay tuned for more on the K5.